There's the potash building there, and that caboose. The car park is right up there. Everything looks pretty lush right now. Lots of green grass and vetch. There's all kinds of strawberries in here too. Those are the Redhead Hills. It's easy to tell the needled trees from the broadleaf trees. The light green will be your birch. Yeah, the light green are birch, and those brown green ones are your coniferous trees, spruce. Now, before European contact, there was like, I don't know, 30 different kinds of different trees growing thickly in what was called Acadian forest. And that is the forest that was encountered here. But that forest was basically stripped, and spruce replaced the majority of the forest. I guess the difference in forest types and animals that live there is a forest that had 30 or 37 different kinds of trees was a good environment for all kinds of different animals and different songbirds, different birds of prey. But if you take great swaths of great areas of land and you basically get rid of the Acadian forest and replace it with forest only good for pulp mill, it will not present a hospitable environment for certain kinds of birds, certain kinds of animals, etc. And the only place you're going to find those animals, in those certain animals and those certain birds, are in national parks that weren't logged over yet. That is the only place. The ecology of the land depended on the health of it, depended on how many species of trees there were, the purity of the water, purity of the air. So if you drive inland into Brunswick, you are going to see great areas, huge areas of land that only produce certain kinds of trees, and that's it. Yeah, there are places along our coast. Well, let's, for example, any place along rivers any place along major rivers or major salmon streams and lakes, there are hints of Acadian forest there. Yeah, as is the case for Miss Peck's Dream Valley. You can see the Acadian forests still there. Well, I don't see Sammy. Yeah, I think the chap with the yellow shirt that walked right to the field edge and looked down onto Paradise Zone, I think that's what scared Sammy off. But you know, that happens. This is people are going to walk on the field, and they're going to walk on the beach. And they're allowed. Yeah, I don't think Sammy's anywhere around here. I don't see him. I'll double check I'm going to have to make a new video in order to double check that sandbar.